Let's be real. If you're doing creator life without systems, you're doing creator life on hard mode, besties. These 5 creator tools, they run my business from content to community to cash, whether I'm in Bali, Peru, or Atlanta.
ClickUp is my creative headquarters.
ChatGPT, my creative co-founder. ManyChat, my 24/7 DM assistant. Kajabi, all-in-one business engine. Canva, visuals done in minutes, if not seconds. These aren't just creator tools. These are my business backbone. So who am I, besties? I'm Katrina Julia. I'm a multi-passionate entrepreneur, creator, and CEO who's walked through 7 themes of transformation, including fear to faith, self-hate to love, and corporate to calling. And in this channel on Creator Bestie and Limitless Global Girl, I share all the things on faith, wellness, wealth, marketing, business, and travel so that you create it like a boss. I worked in 7+ industries. I have an MBA, inactive CPA, and have worked in roles from startups to Fortune 500 companies to helping over 7,000 creators from strategy to finance to marketing. So if that is you and you want to create it, hit subscribe and let's create it.
5 creator tools you must have in 2026. So 1 is ClickUp. This is my creator HQ. These are examples and screenshots that you can see from my dashboards. I've been using ClickUp since 2020. It is amazing for an all-in-one project management tool that you will love. You can also track brands in there, retreats, campaigns. I track proposals, campaigns, content, and I am also ClickUp VIP and ClickUp certified. 2, ChatGPT and AI agents. So this can become your creative bestie depending on how you use ChatGPT and how you train it to think strategically. Like, don't take the first responses. I've been using it since 2023 and also other AI tools. It can help you prioritize purpose, prioritize your time, hack your habits. I've used ChatGPT and AI in general since 2023 in 100 different ways, from wellness to wealth, marketing to biz, travel to adventure, including creating my own AI agents that you can preview for free, like Creator Cash, Creator Content. And these snapshots you see here are actually created in ChatGPT, like from time tracking, my brand proposals and conversions, weekly KPI, and so much more that you can create truly. Number 3, Canva, which this presentation is created in along with Loom. So Visual Studio, Design Central, I've been using it since 2010. I actually received a reward last year, or reward / accolade, when they did the yearly recaps. Top 3% in branding. I use it for presentations, graphics, lead magnets, and thumbnails as well. ManyChat, so 24/7 DM assistant, works while you create, rest, and travel. Been using it since 2024. It's amazing to share intros to freebies, previews to offers, and they've shared over 3 billion plus convos since the tool was created as of this recording. I attended the IG Summit this year, which was amazing, and learned so much from different creators, from Lover's Passport to Rich BFF to so many others. Also a ManyChat affiliate. And Kajabi, which likely if you've tuned in with me in the past, you've heard me talk about Kajabi, all-in-one marketing, automation and AI, used since 2016, websites to emails, previews to offers. You can also get a 30-day freebie in the Preview to Creator School and a Kajabi affiliate. And so 5 creator tools. Create with me. Would you love to see more behind the scenes with the tools? That's some of what is coming up on across all my social channels, across everything I share. Drop in comments and create with me in creator freebies, to creator school, creator retreats, and the link is in the description, along with other amazing goodies like my blog and more. So let's create it. And if you're tuning in on the show, drop a review and leave your Instagram handle and or your website, and I will shout you out.